The 1951 Buick Super. Beautiful car. You can see the design, signature Buick design, with those 3 venti ports on both front fenders, and of course, this sweep spear, which ran along the entire vehicle to give it an elongated look. I love the design on this car. This is early post-war America, before they got into the aviation-inspired look of the late 50s. Powered by a 263, about 124 horsepower, with a top speed of about 85 miles an hour. This car started up just immediately. Nice, smooth running motor. We'll take a look at that in just a bit. Love the car, love the color. You can see a few blemishes, along the paint here. Stuff you'd expect from a car of this era. We'll pop the hood, take a look at that 263, and we'll get inside as well. And also another unique feature on this, when we do pop the hood, it opens like a piano. Beautiful car. Like I said, this is kind of the first attempt at the real design post-war. Like I said, before they got to the stuff like the 57 Chevrolets and the 58 Bonnevilles. Nice car. Again, if you have any questions, you can always contact our sales associates, 507-386-1726. And you can see all of these vehicles online at uniqueclassiccars.com. So anything I don't cover today, I encourage you, give the guys a call. Have a chat. Let's take a look inside. Interior's nice. Really nice. Take a look in back. Beautiful car. Love the dash. Let's take a quick look inside here. It's got the Sonomatic radio. I mean, the chrome, that's what really made these cars what they were, as far as design on the interior. All right. Let's pop this hood and take a look at that 263. And there you have it. As you can see, the hood tilts up and away, just like opening a piano. Listen to that. Beautiful hum. Like I said, starts right up, sounds nice. And opening this hood, by the way, you'll find a pull here, it'll give it a release, and then you just lift up. And there you go. Let's take a look in the trunk. You got your jack, lug wrench, the spare. Plenty of room in here, obviously. You'd expect that from this era. Looks good. I will mention that this vehicle does not have seat belts. Of course, safety standards, minimal back then compared to today's modern vehicles. Again, stick around. You can see Jason take it for a drive. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact our sales staff, 507-386-1726. And of course, you can always log on to uniqueclassiccars.com. the 1951 Buick Super. One more quick spin around the vehicle here. And as you can see, as I mentioned, no seat belts, but the interior is fantastic. Car runs great. And classic Buick styling. Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in the 1951 Buick Super. This would be the four-door version of the Buick with the beautiful sloping back end. All the style and distinctiveness of the other Buicks of the era. Wait for a little bit of traffic here. This is an automatic on the column. The AM radio still works.
Have to come from surgery or pills. Use your body's own net.
I love how they spell out Buick on the preset channels. Some good thinking and design right there. And speaking of design, everything about this car looks amazing. The hood ornament, the grille, the dash, the door panel is just so much style. Speedometer working as it should. The amp meter is showing charging above half. That's on the top left side. Down below that, the temp gauge shows a quarter of the way up from cold. The fuel gauge reads completely full. And the oil pressure is almost to high, so that's looking good. Factory horn sounds really good. A little bit of slack in the steering, not enough to cause any issues on the road, and it's kind of expected with this older era of vehicles. Nice looking headliner. Kind of a beige or a pewter color in here. Going well against black and chrome. Bench seat front and back. So much style. Ashtrays hidden in the styling of the dash. Chrome, of course. Nice quiet ride to this car. This one with a push button start as opposed to the throttle start. Just turn the key to on, push the button to the left and underneath the key to start it. And it starts up easily right away and idles nicely, as a lot of these Buicks did. Brakes are smooth, as is everything else. The ride absorbing all the imperfections of the road. Corners well, corners luxuriously. Find all the pictures of this very nice 51 Buick Super at uniqueclassiccars.com.